Residents across the southern states of Australia are being warned to expect strong winds and wild weather until the end of the week as a deep low moves across the country. Parts of WA, South Australia, New South Wales and Victoria will be impacted by damaging winds and heavy rainfall, and the Bureau of Meteorology has issued several weather warnings. Western Australia has already recorded wind gusts of up to 135 k's an hour and waves of over 9 metres.
10 million people are being impacted by a mammoth winter storm as a huge, slow-moving, low-pressure system engulfs southern Australia.
What we saw through Sunday and Monday is a low rapidly form off the southwest coast of WA. And what's unusual about this low is its large size. It's impacting most of southern Australia. It also has a very long duration, so we're not just seeing a few hours of severe weather in Western Australia, we're actually seeing a 3-day event with strong winds, heavy rain and also huge waves.
Western Australia's west coast is being pounded by a prolonged spell of gales, rain and 10-metre waves. Conditions rarely experienced across the state.
Well, we often see cold fronts and mid-latitude lows impacting Western Australia during the winter, but this system, it's especially deep and it's slow moving, which means the severe weather will last a number of days, and that is quite unusual for WA.
By midday on Tuesday, the storm had generated wind gusts to 137 kilometres an hour at Cape Lewin, well beyond the damaging threshold, and equivalent to wind speeds recorded in a Category 2 tropical cyclone.
The perfect ingredients right now for huge waves on the west coast. We have gale force winds off the coast. They're running over a long fetch of ocean, but they're also running for a long duration. And as a result, we're looking at maximum wave heights from this event, probably exceeding 15 metres over the next 36 hours.
The system is so large that it is already sending a burst of strong winds and rain across southeast states, essentially impacting the weather simultaneously over more than half of Australia.
Yeah, the impacts from this system stretch from the west coast of WA all the way to the east coast. So most of southern Australia at some point this week will pick up some rain from this low pressure system.
As the week progresses, the most severe weather will shift east. Henrietta Moore for Sky News.